Hi guys, Nate from Reach 3D Printers. Check it out. Pretty good cube. See how it's barely separated? Snaps together extremely well, almost too well. Requires a knife to separate it. Weighs in at about 22 grams, which at $15 a kilogram is roughly 35 cents. So, internal structure with these ribs that I added on the second go around really strengthened it up. The reason I did that was because, oh, not that one, this guy. So this guy, smooth surface, no ribs, actually broke this back piece off here. And so it needed restructured. This was another version, a slightly different shape, and it also lost a leg, but otherwise, not too bad. So there you have it, a full, cool puzzle box, strengthened up. Don't put delicates in there. And thanks for watching.